Struggling with ear discomfort? It's time for a change. Discover the best earwax removal in Milton Keynes at Hearing First. Book your appointment now for top-notch ear cleaning services. We specialise in microsuction, the safest and most effective method. Why endure the discomfort any longer? Our expert team in Milton Keynes is ready to help you hear clearly again. Experience the best microsuction earwax removal in Milton Keynes. Say goodbye to blocked ears and hello to better hearing. At Hearing First, we use state-of-the-art equipment to ensure a painless and efficient earwax removal process. Join countless satisfied clients who have reclaimed their hearing. Don't let earwax hold you back any longer. Located at Joint Solutions, Challenge House, Milton Keynes, our clinic offers unparalleled ear care services. Our expert staff ensures you receive the best care. Book your microsuction earwax removal today and experience the difference. Microsuction is a safe, quick, and highly effective way to remove earwax. Trust the best in Milton Keynes for your ear care needs. Ready to hear better? Contact Hearing First in Milton Keynes and book your ear cleaning appointment now. Visit our earwax clinic and enjoy professional, friendly service. We are committed to your ear health and hearing well-being. Don't wait any longer. Book your appointment at Hearing First, Milton Keynes, and experience the best earwax removal today.